Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Mac OS and that you have Homebrew because it simplifies package management. Once Homebrew is ready, install Python 3 with brew install Python and run Python 3 version to confirm. Make sure to add /usr/local/bin or /opt/homebrew/bin to your path so Python 3 and pip3 are available in terminal. That lets you manage packages and virtual environments cleanly. Once done, you'll be positioned to create isolated projects and avoid system Python conflicts as you code. You now create a virtual environment to isolate dependencies, run Python 3 env and source env/bin/activate so pip installs go into the project. Then install needed packages with pip install and freeze them to requirements. TXD for reproducibility. Make sure your editor points to that venv interpreter. This avoids accidental use of system packages. Once your editor and linter are configured, you can run tests, formatters, and debuggers. Transitioning this way keeps projects independent and reproducible across. You finish by running scripts directly with Python 3 script, Py or invoking modules with Python M. When packaging, define metadata in piproject, toml, or setup. CFG and build wheels so others can install your code. Make sure to test on a clean venv to validate dependencies. If something breaks, first confirm your path and that the virtual environment is active. Next run piplist to spot version mismatches, and recreate the venv or reinstall packages to fix corrupted installs. That single troubleshooting step resolves most Mac Python problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.